Alright, quick video guys. Just wanted to show you that I am installing my blackouts here on the bumper. And what I did is took my blackout, this is just a template here, and I turned it over to the back side, and I took this, what I used was 3M 1/4 inch 06386. It's one of the better double-sided tapes that you can get. You can get this at AutoZone, it'll work too, but it's a little wider, and it doesn't stick as good as this one. This one you could even feel the sides of it. It's really sticky compared to this one. This one's like dry. Okay, so all I did was I ran this on the border of my blackout cover, and then when I had that, I peeled it off and I stuck it right down. And as you can see, it's on there pretty solid. And what I did is I made a little bit of a gap here, not much, maybe an eighth of an couple, maybe 2/16 of an inch, and right here a little bit of a gap too. So when this expands and when it heats up from the sun, it'll expand and it's not gonna curl up on this edge and cause it to bow. And left a little bit of gap at the bottom too for that reason too. And then when you're done, just peel this off. And there's your blackout, which is probably gonna always be dirty. So one thing about the season 1 is the blackouts, they always get dirt in them and prone to scratches and stuff. But if you're going season 1, that's what you want, that type of style with the little blackouts. See the difference? That's without it, and that's with it. Big difference on how it looks. That's it for this one. I'll have to put the other one in next. I'll do that in a little bit. Alright, I got my 3M double-sided tape on there and ready to stick it. And there we have it. I just laid it down. Make sure you push real firm on here. Should be nice and flush. This one's flush with my hand. Same with this one, nice and flush. As you can see, the dust and dirt's already getting on it. Alright, we'll peel off this. Once you push it down real good, you can peel off this paper. And the way I designed this bumper is for this thing to mount right in that turn signal line, halfway through it, so it runs all the way across this bumper. It keeps the water out. I was hoping to keep the water out by doing that, having that turn signal going right through the bumper all the way across. So there's a border all the way for the double-sided tape to stick to. And I used that's black color 3M tape, so you don't really see it too much. You might see the border a little bit. If you don't want to see the border at all, what you could do is you can primer that little edge, maybe a 1/2 inch, all the way around the blackout. But for now, I think I'm okay. If it bothers me later, I might fix that up. Well, there we go. It's installed. Did a real quick job. I didn't take my time on it. Kind of rushed it because I wanted to get it done because it's sun setting already. But came up pretty good.